Okay, Tyler.
Yeah.
What are you doing down there?
Get my cap.
Oh, your cap. Okay. Good job. You do that and come on back up, okay?
We should start doing more videos because part 2 would be really short.
Well, we'll see how short it ends up being, okay? Okay?
Aye. Do I need the ball or which one? Side.
Oh, whatever side you want. You have a look at it and see what it does, and you figure that out, okay?
Yep.
Tyler?
Yeah?
What are we doing with the first hit? The first heat?
We're going to flatten the end down with both sides.
Okay, can I make a suggestion?
Yeah?
It's already very flat, okay? I suggest use the ball end. We'll use it on the wood here, and we'll see if that's already bowled a little bit. We'll see if you can make a spoon shape out of the spoon, okay?
Oh, I thought we were doing the handle.
Good point. You're right. Yeah, we'll make the handle thinner, okay? Wow, I'm glad you're here. Keep things straight, right, Ty?
Yeah. You're old.
What? Tyler?
Yeah?
I want you to stop talking so silly. It's not raining.
Look at that. Is it raining now?
I haven't noticed because I'm paying such close attention to what's going on here.
Yes, and look at the fire. It was going like that high.
Okay, Natai.
And now it's going very low, I would say.
So watch. The main thing with that is that we're just going to have to turn this. Stay out of the smoke. It's funny how you when you stop spinning that, all the smoke goes up chimney.
For some reason, I think it's raining.
Anyway, video on. I already explained to you that it's not actually raining out, right?
It's raining.
Okay, let's look at this. What we're trying to do is heat that metal up red hot, right?
Yeah, which is going to be good.
Well, we'll give her a little bit of air. And we'll get her orange. We'll get her warm. Practice hit, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now Tyler, are you looking at that fire?
Yep, I'm looking at it.
Because I'm telling you, that's getting bright orange. Like, really orange in there. Right?
Yeah.
And that's what we want to see. Are you looking at it?
Good orange.
Yeah. I think we can do another hit. Or heat. You know what? That piece is, I can see it glowing orange now. So we're going to see if we can do a little hit. I'll do a little more. Okay, see the sparkles coming off that tie?
Oh, yeah.
Little tiny
Looks
bit of
yellow,
sparkle.
but it's orange.
And it's a little bit of bubbly.
Mmm.
So that started to get...
That's soft. Yeah, it started to turn better.
That's getting warm.
Okay, we're going over to the anvil.
Ty, come here. Because this is definitely welding, sparkling welding temperature.
Whoa!
Hear it? That is... We might have burned a bunch off the end.
Yeah,
that was a lot longer before. That'll be good for the beans.
Turning a little bit rainy.
Peas, eh, Ty?
Yeah, it's turning a little bit rainy.
I wonder where I put those gloves.
Well, this is her garage. Shop inside that door. I have a lot of... That's my truck. Mine. It's mine. And that's my dad's truck. And I'm only 7. I'm 7, my dad's 46, and it's 2018, and I hope you guys have a good day, but And I am 7. Remember.
It's crazy. Look, it was raining a few minutes ago.
Oh, but it's getting hot.
Now it's totally blue sky. Wow, good job, Ty.
Wow, that's working. That bullshit thing is working.
Yes, for sure. Let's check her out. Whoa. Yeah, it's working good.
Yeah, that's working pretty good.
Okay, we'll stick that back in the fire.
Don't touch that.
She's looking pretty good. You want me on the other side? Looking pretty good, Ty. Is that good enough? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it out and put her on the wire wheel now, okay? You're looking pretty good. Man, that is looking like a good spoon. Okay? Good looking job, Ty. Put some vegetable oil in that thing. We should be about done, eh?
Right now, I'm putting vegetable oil in so it doesn't get rusty
Correct.
when it gets close to water. Which sometimes I actually do.
Well, we're gonna have to wash it sooner or later, right?
Yeah, that's why we're doing this.